Hi, dear students. So, we were discussing the lesson and we have started already the lesson that is called the last lesson. I have given you one lecture on it. So, today I shall start with the lesson actually, line by line, we will do. So, first of all, you see in about the author that the title of the story is set during the Franco-Prussian War. So the question may be asked to you, and then when the title of the story is set. So you should write that the title of the story is set during the Franco-Prussian War, 1870 or 1872. 1870 to 1871. In which France was defeated by Prussia led by Bismarck. So I have already told you about Bismarck. Who was Bismarck? Bismarck was the German Chancellor. You may be also asked who is Alphonse Daudet. So he was a French novelist and a short story writer. The two important name of the districts like Alsace and Lorraine. These are very important questions. You must remember it. So today let's start with line by line. So you see in the very first line, because the lesson it is started with first person narrative, that is I. The narrator, already I have told you who is the narrator. The narrator is little Franz, the school going boy of Alsace. So in the very first line, you see, I started for school very late that morning. That means the narrator is telling, the narrator is little Franz. He is telling that day he started for his school very late because there were some reasons were there, I think. We will know later on. I started for school very late that morning and was in a great dread of scolding. Great dread of means what? In a very fear of. In a very great dread of scolding. Scolding means what? To rebuke. Somebody will rebuke him because of something. Hey karone he started very late for his school. And especially because what? I started for school very late that morning and was in a great dread of scolding, especially because M. Hamel had said that he would question us on participles or question them on participles, but I did not know the first word about them. So that is the main thing. Why little Franz that day he started, or why he did not want to come to school that day, because M. Hamel already told them, because the very next day he would ask them question on participles. Participle প্রত্যয়ের উপর, that means মানে M. Hamel question করি. So কি হয়েছে? ফ্রান্সে অলপও না জানে, he did not know the first word, প্রথম ওয়ার্ডটোই না জানে পার্টিসিপলের. So he was in a great dread of scolding. ভয় খাইছিলে মনে মনে. He was in a fear that M. Hamel would, because M. Hamel was very strict teacher, খুব strict teacher আছিলে. He would definitely beat him. যদি নোৱাৰে মাৰিব বুলি ভাবিছে, গালি পাৰিব বুলি ভাবিছে. So সেই কাৰণে he was not in a mood of coming to school. So এই বস্তুবিলাক, all these things were happening যেতিয়া start হৈছে lesson 2. তার পিছত কি কৈছে? For a moment I thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. কি হৈছে? যেহেতু তেওঁ নোৱাৰে, লিটল ফ্রান্সে নোৱাৰে, এই কাৰণে অলপ সময়ৰ কাৰণে কি ভাবিছিল? He thought of running away and spending the day of the out of doors. That means what? He was not in a mood of coming to school. স্কুলত অহাৰ তেওঁৰ মুড নাছিল আৰু হঠাৎ ভাবি লৈছিল কি যে সিদিনা বাহিৰত মই কটাই ল'ম, স্কুললৈ নাযাওঁ. So এইখিনিতে দুটা কুৱেশ্যন আহিব, তিনিটা কুৱেশ্যন আহি গ'ল আমাৰ. There are 3 questions we have already got here about in the very first line, who is the I here? I started for school very late that morning. Who is the I here? Little Franz is the I here. Second question is on what or on which topic M. Hamel would question them on. কি টপিকৰ ওপৰত কুৱেশ্যন কৰিব? M. Hamel would question them on the topic of participles. Very important, participle spelling চাই ৰাখিবা. এই বস্তুবিলাক যাতে মিষ্টেক নহয়. And another is, what did little France think for a moment. So for a moment France thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. So এই বস্তুবিলাক যেতিয়া হৈছিল তেতিয়া কি হৈছে, the day was so warm and bright. সিদিনাখন কি হৈছিলে, it was a sunny day, very interesting day. And again কি হৈছিলে, it was so warm and bright, and in the back of the sawmill the Prussian soldiers were drilling. And Prussian soldiers, the German soldiers, they were exercising. Drilling means what? Exercising. Kuskawas kori thoka, left right exercise kori asile telok in the back of the sawmill. That means sawmills what? Kathphala mill, industry or factory where মানে কি হয়, cutting of the woods, এইবিলাক কাটা যে হয় এইবিলাকক কয় sawmill. So এই বস্তুবিলাক, and at the edge of the wood the birds were chirping. অলপ ইফাল ইফাল হ'ব পাৰে লাইনবিলাক, I do not have the book right now. So কি হৈছে, the birds were chirping at the edge of the wood. The birds, they were making different sounds on the trees. So it was so interesting day. Birat eta interesting day asil. So warm, so bright, so sunny. Because little Franz, he often, what he likes, he doesn't like to go to school. He just likes to play outdoors and spending the day out of doors. Bahirot kotai dibo bisare. So সেই দিনাও ভাবি আছিলে যে it is a very nice day to enjoy কৰিবলৈ ভাবিছিল যে বহুত ধুনীয়া আজি মই স্কুললৈ নাযাওঁ, because he doesn't know about participle also, ক'ব খাব লাগিব. so এই বস্তুবিলাকৰ কাৰণে স্কুলত যাব খোজা নাছিলে. বাট কি হৈছিল, but I had the strength to resist myself. More strength, more এখিনি মানে strength আছিলে to resist, to stay away from all these things. এই বস্তুবিলাক, ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং বস্তুবিলাকৰ পৰা মই নিজকে বুজাইছিলোঁ যে yes, হ'ব, মই স্কুললৈ যাব লাগিব, and hurried off to school as fast as I could go. আৰু স্কুললৈ মই গুচি গ'লোঁ. So this was all about your first paragraph. First paragraph এইবিলাক পালোঁ. One more important thing is there. তেওঁলোকে লিটল ফ্ৰান্স যে ক'লে, the Prussian soldiers were drilling. Drilling means marching or exercising at the back of the sawmill. এইটোৰ পিছত কি কৈছিলে, it was all much more tempting. It was all much more tempting. Tempting means what? Interesting or attracting. এই বস্তুবিলাক বহুত attractive আছিল. Then to the rules for participles. Participle rulot koiba, then going to the schools. These were all much more tempting for little Franz. So it is a very important question. What are the things that were much more tempting for little Franz than going to school? এই বস্তুবিলাক আহিব পাৰে যে লিটল ফ্ৰান্সৰ কাৰণে স্কুলত যোৱাৰ বাহিৰে আৰু কি বস্তু আছিল বেছি এট্ৰাক্টিভ. so আহিব পাৰে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন, 2 marksৰ কুৱেশ্যন. What are the other important things or other important things which are much more tempting than the rules for participles? Belekko ase question bank ot ase sai loba. So let's move on to second paragraph. So second paragraph ot ki hoise, so little Franz, he is the narrator, he is narrating the story, whatever he has seen during his, যেতিয়া তেওঁ স্কুললৈ যাই আছিলে তেতিয়া যি বস্তুবিলাক সিদিনা ডেট মৰ্নিং যি দেখিছিলে তেওঁ এইবিলাক ইয়াতে লিখিছে. So in the second paragraph we will find that when I passed the town hall, there was a huge crowd in front of the bulletin board. So what is the bulletin board? Bulletin board is a notice board where latest news and communication or informations had been put up. So hey notice board or agot hidinahon little Franz dekhile there was a huge crowd in front of the bulletin board, because ki hoisile, for the last 2 years all the bad news had come from there, had come from the bulletin board, because for the last 2 years the war between France and Prussia had been going on. এই বস্তুটো চলি আছিলে এণ্ড সেইকাৰণে যিমান বেয়া বেড নিউজ আছিলে সেই বুলেটিন বৰ্ডত সদায় এই নটিচ বৰ্ডত দে পুট আপ দ্য লেটেষ্ট নিউজ অন দ্য বুলেটিন বৰ্ড চ' ডেট ডে অলছ' সিদিনাখনো কি আছিলে বুলেটিন বৰ্ডত কিবা লাগি আছিলে বাট ফ্ৰান্স ডিড নট ন' দ্য থিং বুলেটিন বৰ্ডত কি এণ্ড স্পেচিয়েলি ফৰ দ্য লাষ্ট 2 years all the bad news had come from there like কেনেকুৱা বেড নিউজ like the draft the lost battles korovat juddho porajito hoye jay the draft the orders of the commanding officer ei bostu bila ki hoise all these things bostu bila tate put up hoy and I thought to myself without stopping because he was already on his way to school he did not stop at that time hey time otte stop one asil little France stop one asil but that time also he was thinking to himself that what can be the matter now to last hoise without stopping what can be the matter now eibar baru ki hoise iman manu bulletin board or agot asile so little France he did not aware of the fact that the hidinai asile it was their last French lesson hidinai French lesson asile and that news also hey news to be asile it was put up on the bulletin board and all the people of Alsace and the Lorraine and Alsace or jibilak region or manu asil sob manu bilake hey news pori asile but France hetu jona nasile tetia loike but after when he will come to know about the news that Berlin had already sent an order Berlin or order is about the mane ki is imposition of new language that is German language French তেওঁলোকে আৰু শিকিব নোৱাৰে so যেতিয়া ফ্ৰান্স জানিব তেতিয়া কি হ'ব what will the effect on him কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ এফেক্ট হ'ব আমি পাম এইবিলাক very interesting story so next paragraph so এই বস্তুবিলাক চাই then as I hurried off by as fast as I could go jiman moi jabo parichilo tetia moi jai asilo I was that time I was speed up because I thought I was late already he was late so he was hurried up to his school he was so speedy in his way ki hoisile tetia the blacksmith Wacher very important name what is the name of the blacksmith Wacher Wachter so the blacksmith Wacher who was there with his apprentice he was there the blacksmith he was there with his apprentice means what training he was there with his trainee and he was reading the bulletin because he came to know about the fact the ki dhoroner news hey bulletin board ot lagiasil he already janisil so hey blacksmith jone ki korile then as I hurried by as fast as I could go the blacksmith Wacher who was there with his apprentice reading the bulletin called after me mok matisile bison pora and he said don't go so fast boy hey boy don't go so fast you will get to your school in plenty of time so bahut time ase tumi school poa lagi because the blacksmith Wacher he knew the fact that today it will be their last French lesson so the atmosphere of the classroom would be changed totally change hoye jabo aru ei karone koisile tumi iman dora dori ge jabo na lage tumi school ot jai pabo but France he was thinking to himself that time that I have already late with this so he was thinking to himself that probably I thought he was making fun of me and I reached M. Hamel's little garden all out of breath means what he was panting because he walked as fast as he could go jiman pare himan jore teo ahisile ei karone he was panting that time he was taking deep breath heavy breath ei karone all out of breath boli hoise ek dourot moi ja little Hamelor little garden of jai palo because there was a garden in front of the school or agot Hamele ekhon garden banaisil so ei bostu bila ki hoise very interesting thing. So key question ami palu in the second paragraph, what had been put up on the bulletin board, or what is the bulletin board, or what is the significance of the bulletin board ahibo pare. Second is a name the blacksmith, or what is the name of the blacksmith in the last lesson. Blacksmith jonor naam hoise Wechar. So first paragraph otar ki asile, who is the I here, what did little Franz think for a moment, what was much more tempting than the rules for participles, on which topic MML would question them. এই বস্তুবিলাক very important. So there will be homeworks, তোমালোকক homework দিম মই, বস্তুবিলাক চাই ল'বা, and please go through the line by line যাবা. Thank you.